sometimes we want to, and then we are analyzing, should I do it, should I not do it? So one of the ways that I think it is good to do is when I do the things, if I'm getting more power thinking about doing it, but maybe you will feel powerless already because it might be challenging you. So it's really confusing whether you should or should not because it seems challenging. And then when it's challenging, should I do it? So we will say in life it's always challenging. You always go through life, meet the challenge, and become somebody better. So there's no such a thing as no challenge around. So it is always a little bit challenging, a little bit threatening to meet challenge too. So that's what Qigong can help. And practice some Qigong and more relaxed, then you just think about the outcome, right? So if I will do that and the result is I'll get this, is that result worth doing it? I know it's challenging, but you only can look at the outcome. If that is the outcome, maybe it's worth the challenge then. Then you put your hand, okay, I gotta do it, you know? You know how people want to win a race or, go even traveling to another country to immigrant and whatsoever is challenging, right? But then the outcome is if that works, this means something else is gonna happen. So we go through life challenge more easier if we practice Qigong to ease the mind up. Oh, that result is what I want. Yeah, it's worth the challenge then. Go for it. Don't wait. Go for the thing that may give you a very good result. It's always challenging. It's natural to feel uncomfortable with challenge. Hey? So I'll give you a thumbs up. And then at peace with yourself. Visualize. So if you like what I do, please check the link below. And then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.